Hello. Nowadays, it's quite common that people choose Canada to migrate with their family. But most of you are unfamiliar with the benefit that Canada provides you. So here I am with the family benefits of Canada permanent residence. First one, right to live and work in Canada. Canada is ranked as the second best country in the world to live and work. It is one of the top destinations for overall sustainability, cultural influence, economic influence, entrepreneurship, and primarily for the quality of life. Once you get a PR, you have the right to move to any territory or province in Canada. You don't have to stick with an employer, job, or even a province too. Second one, extend or renew your visa after 5 years. A majority of Canadian permanent resident status cards are valid for 5 years, although some only have a validity of 1 year. Moreover, there is no prescribed limit as to how many times you can extend your visa status. The purpose and history will be considered by the officer to evaluate if there is a valid reason for you to continue to stay. Third one, allows you to bring your family along. Your family members can also live, study and work in Canada if they become the permanent residents. However, you are allowed to sponsor certain residents if you are above 18 years of age. Fourth one, free education for children. The Government of Canada ensures free education up to grade 12 for all children up to the age of 18 years of permanent residence. Canadian education has 3 levels: primary, secondary and higher education. Moreover, tuition fees are dramatically reduced for permanent residents when it comes to university education. Fifth one, universal health care. Canada Immigration offers universal health care provided by the Canadian government and the authorities. For every Canadian permanent resident visa holder of Canada, medical care is free and it also covers all prescription drugs that are paid through the taxes. You can also apply for public health insurance as a permanent resident in Canada. Fifth one, social benefits. Immigrants in Canada can also enjoy plenty of social security benefits if they have acquired 40 credit points. This is equivalent to 10 years of work of 40 quarters. The residents of Canada can get suitable high-paying jobs and tax rebates which help them enjoy a quality life. Other social benefits include retirement payments, disability benefits and survivors, benefits for deceased workers as well. Seventh one, road to Canadian citizenship. Once you get the Canadian permanent resident status in Canada, you can live there for 5 years. If you have physically lived in the country for 1095 days, that is for 3 years out of the 5, you become eligible for Canadian citizenship. However, only the 5 years preceding the date of your filing the application for citizenship are considered to be valid. Eighth one, freedom to move. You can move outside, inside or remain in Canada, that is multiple times, with the Canadian PR card. It grants you the freedom to move and take up the residence in another province as well. You can pursue a new job, a new opportunity or other types of livelihood throughout the country. Mobility rights are expressly consolidated in Section 6 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedoms. Ninth one, freedom to start a business. Permanent residents in Canada are also known as landed immigrants. They can also legally start their own enterprise following Canadian immigration. Under the benefits of Canada PR, you can invest in a franchise or start a new business with sole proprietorship, partnership or corporation without being a Canadian citizen. And the last one, safe and secure environment. Canada was named as the most peaceful country across the world by The Economist in 2007. It is a safe and secure destination to settle. Immigrants with permanent residency in Canada have all the rights under the Canadian Charter 6 to be protected by the government and the authorities. People giving priority to safety count this as the most important benefits of living in Canada. So, hope you are clear with the family benefits the Canada government provides you as a PR. Thank you.